Let's have a closer look now at the Development Feasibility product. As you can see, this is Development Feasibility, or DF. On closer look, you can see that DF has a very similar look and feel to a spreadsheet, in that yes, you can navigate through the different tabs at the top, as well as when you input information, you can input it in the same way you would a spreadsheet. The difference being is that with the cash flow itself is locked down with the overall formula being done for you. Through using the inputs, this provides you with a flexible way of being able to input information for the discounted cash flow. It provides an easy way to get started straight out of the box and building a discounted cash flow analysis for your next project without having to worry about how the formula is going in, whether or not you've captured every cell for that formula, and the ability to be able to share this with other people. One of the real powers behind Estate Master Development Feasibility is its impact on transparency, being able to provide transparency across the entire organisation. If we have a look at the preferences, the preferences provide a fantastic framework around how your model is going to be calculated. The preferences provide all the lockdown formula in drop-down lists. All you need to do is that as you're setting up your model, you simply select from the drop-down list which calculation you would like to have. These calculations can be changed model to model, so it's not a set and forget. The great thing is it provides a lot more flexibility around how you can calculate and look at the calculations for this overall financial model. From the preferences, Estate Master also has the ability to create templates. By creating templates for your organisation, your employees can very quickly select a standard template for a different development product that you're doing with the inputs and preferences already set. Once again, you're good to go as quickly as possible. The summary sheet itself is one of the key reports that Estate Master Development Feasibility provides. The summary sheet provides all the key data that developers need to do business. For example, the development margin, the project IRR, and the residual land values, as well as the bank financing, all key components of DF. From the summary sheet, Estate Master provides many different reports, including the consolidation sheet, whereby you can consolidate up to 8 different projects at the same time. 8 different projects, or even 8 different ways of developing the same project on the same site. Therefore, working out what is the highest and best use for that particular site that you have bought. The charts themselves provide an easy to read reporting and analysis, from the comparison of your different options and risk, through to looking at your project cash flow and your overall bank financing. All of the key data that you're looking at here is generated by one input sheet. Easy to use input sheet where we step you through the different checklists that a typical development would go through, from the purchase of the land through to the construction costs, the professional fees, and then finally the revenue around what you're selling, including sale commissions and pre-sales. Finally, Estate Master also provides the bank financing, where you can look at how you typically model your financing structures for a typical development project. The ability to also insert sheets provides greater flexibility around the model, where you can also insert not only your own sheets, but you can also import from an Excel file. DF is truly a very flexible way of being able to complete and conduct a feasibility.